This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. And today I've got something that I found at my own personal frickin' Disneyland up in Canada called Smart and Save. It's like a rad little store that has all sorts of like import goods from... Most of them come from either China or Korea or Japan or Hong Kong. Look at these. These are from Japan. Right? Right. And let's get them cooking and I'll tell you what they're called because I can't remember right off the top of my head. Which is sad. Because I should. I know there's shoyu. Goo. Puder. And a noodle block. Going in the boil for 4 freaking minutes. Alright, so... God, what are they called? Asahikawa Hokkaido Soy Sauce Ramen? That's what I'm going with. So, here's something that's very much behind the scenes that you've never seen before, I don't think. Oh great, here comes the leaf blower. Yeah, check that out. These are packages from instant noodles. Hi Mimi, how you doing? I love you. That's Mimi. Say hi. This is the package from the 5-pack that we're doing right now. It is Nissin Hokkaido Ramen Asahikawa Soy Sauce. But yeah, these have to all go into the binder. Of which I think there's probably about 20 of them. What? You're not supposed to be back here. There's hot stuff. Ouch. Yeah, the stinking leaf blower. Come here. Come on. Oh, it's okay. Don't you want to say hi? You don't want to talk to those people? Why not? They're nice. Are they the enemy? You have to go potty? Oh, you're doing your karate. Say hi-ya. Say hi-ya. Go watch your Hello Kitty. I'll be out in a second, okay? And grab the poop book. The book my wife got me. That's like what your poo says about you. It's got stuff like monster poop and ghost poop and all that kind of stuff. That's my little girl, my pride and joy. And yeah. Anyways, we got 1 minute and 33 seconds to go. Yeah, I've had this sick and now it sounds like my wife's got it. She's got a sore throat. Her ears are all kind of getting all, what do you call it? Clogged up. It's like, she doesn't like it when I get sick because I get all crabby. She gets crabby when you get sick too. But I don't know. I like taking care of people when they're sick. I enjoy that. Like, oh, you need something from the store? I'll walk there immediately. Yeah. But I get all whiny. I'm going to be the first person to admit, us dudes, we whine and piss and moan about the stupidest crap. And it's okay. I mean, yeah. I'll own up to it. Because I'm a man. And yeah. I'm just gonna leave it at that. But yeah, we got a dry sachet, a wet sachet. We got a bowl. It's gonna go right here. Can you see the bowl? You can see the bowl. Okay. They always show. This is the hot and ouch part. Huh? Yeah, leaf blower guys out there. Isn't that ridiculous? No. No? Do you like the leaf blower? You do?
Yeah.
Why? How could you? I don't like the leaf blower. But the leaf blower makes all that horrible racket and all the noise, and it's not. Ah, butterfly, huh? You be careful over there. Okay, so there's the powder. And now we need the goo. It's a book about poop. Was that pretty funny? Yeah? Is that what you want for nap time? Do you want poop stories? No? Okay. No worries. Yeah, I cooked this down a little too much. What's this, Mimi? Noodles. Asahikawa soy sauce ramen. She ain't gonna like that. Because I don't. That has a lot, wow, of it's very seaweedish. You want to try the noodle? Yes or no? Okay. Alright, let's get this party finished. I need a spoon. Man, these just aren't. Am I just being too violent with it? Is that the deal? Settle down, Beavis. God. Burr? You cold? There's an egg. Some chashu. Mimi and I cut up some Naruto maki this morning, huh? Yeah. I want less noodle in this picture. Brrr, Mimi. Brr, Mimi. Like cold? Yeah. Well, it happens. Things happen and things end up being cold, and that's why they invented blankets. Blankets are good for being warm. Alright, let's throw some. No, don't you block the sun of that slice of chashu. That's the sun right there. Mimi! Yeah. And here's some. I am making Asahikawa Shoyu. This is a little bit of a Nanami Togarashi, a little bit more. And then a little bit of. I really enjoy chili oil, so that's what's going on now. Just a little, you know. All right, should we make it go in circles? Do you want to see it rotate? Do you want to watch? Do you want to see Mimi? Come on, come and look. It's wonderful. It's gonna rotate. Ready, set? Ready, set? Come here. Alright, this has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye! Say bye-bye!